how to not get banned from Roblox voice chat. First, I'll show you what we can do on the technical side, and then we're gonna talk about something else as well. First, you wanna go into the settings of your iPhone and use the search bar to search for Roblox. Now, click on Roblox and make sure that this option here, background app refresh, is turned on. If it's not turned on, then it might cause some issues. Now, how can you avoid getting banned from Roblox voice chat? It's very simple. You need to follow the rules. So that is basically gonna be not cursing at someone. So make sure you control your language. You don't harass anybody. You don't yell at anybody. So basically just abiding by the community guidelines is going to prevent you from getting banned. And sometimes you will again be banned because it's unfair. Sometimes it auto detects and you will be banned, but you can always appeal your ban. If you want to appeal your voice chat ban, you will just search for appeal Roblox voice chat ban. Click on the first article here and then click on the blue text violations and appeals. It is going to show you the web version of Roblox. So I'm just going to sign into my account here. Violations and appeals. If you have any specific bans, then you will find them here and you can appeal them directly from the screen. Hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.